Have you noticed dark age spots, sunspots, or uneven skin tone appearing as you grow older, especially on the face, hands, or arms? Age spots are very common, but many people don't understand why they form or how nutrition plays a role in preventing and reducing them. Over time, sun exposure, oxidative stress, slow skin renewal, and nutrient deficiencies can cause excess pigment to build up in the skin. The result? Flat brown or dark patches that make the skin look older than it feels. The good news is, while skincare helps from the outside, real improvement starts from within. In this video, I'll share 2 essential minerals and vitamins that support healthy skin, help reduce oxidative damage, and may improve the appearance of age spots naturally, along with simple daily food ideas to include them easily. Mineral 1. Zinc, the skin repair. Mineral. Zinc is one of the most important minerals for skin repair and renewal. Why zinc helps with age spots, supports normal skin cell turnover, helps repair sun-damaged skin, plays a role in controlling excess pigmentation, supports collagen production and wound healing. When zinc levels are low, skin tends to heal slower and show signs of aging more quickly. Natural food sources of zinc: pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, chickpeas, and lentils, nuts like cashews and almonds, whole grains, simple daily zinc recipe, zinc boost smoothie, 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds, 1 banana, 1 cup plant milk or curd, a pinch of cinnamon, blend and drink once a day. This provides gentle food-based zinc your body absorbs easily. Mineral 2, vitamin C, the brightening antioxidant. Vitamin C isn't technically a mineral, but it's essential for skin clarity and brightness, so it deserves a place here. Why vitamin C helps age spots, helps reduce oxidative stress caused by sun exposure, supports collagen formation, assists in regulating melanin production, promotes brighter, more even-looking skin tone. Low vitamin C levels are linked to dull skin, slower repair, and pigmentation issues. Natural food sources of vitamin C: amla, Indian gooseberry, citrus fruits, orange, lemon, guava, bell peppers, berries. Simple daily vitamin C recipe: skin glow, morning drink, warm water, fresh lemon juice. Optional: crushed amla or amla powder drink on an empty stomach or between meals. This supports skin health from the inside, while also aiding digestion. Important reminder: trust builder. Age spots don't disappear overnight, but consistent nutrition, hydration, sun protection, and lifestyle habits can gradually improve skin appearance and slow new spot formation. These nutrients support your body's natural skin renewal process. Not quick fixes, but long-term results. Bonus tips for better results: stay hydrated, protect skin from excessive sun exposure, eat whole, colorful foods, reduce processed sugar and refined oils, sleep well, skin repairs at night. If this video helped you, please like it. It really supports the channel. Share it with someone concerned about skin aging, and subscribe for more natural health and food-based wellness tips. If you'd like to go deeper and learn a complete natural skin and wellness approach, I've added a recommended course link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Nourish your skin from the inside for lasting results.